back to my channel, and today we're going to be making Crockpot chicken teriyaki. And I've had to restart this video at least 3 times simply because my dryer keeps going off exactly when I'm trying to do this video. But let's go ahead and get started. I have chopped about 2 pounds worth of chicken, fresh chicken, in bite-sized pieces. I have a cup of bell peppers right here. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of honey. We have 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. We also have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. There we go. 1 tablespoon of ginger. And 2 cloves of garlic, at least. This is kind of the closest I can get to it. And then also over here we have 1 cup of broccoli. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is just go ahead and take all of these wet ingredients, or the ones we're gonna have to mix together, and just put them in a bowl. And I'll let you guys see this a little bit better. I don't normally cook in the crock pot all the time, simply because I like to cook at the stove too. But when I'm gone during the day, it's just much easier to do it that way. I'm just gonna kind of mix that together. Don't have to do too much. All right, so that's good. The next thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and put this chicken in the crock pot and put it at the very bottom. All right, so we'll just go ahead and put it at the bottom. And now we're going to take this sauce that we've made and just pour it on top. Oh, you guys, I messed up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of honey and just kind of mix it while it's in there. It'll be fine, it'll melt down. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the broccoli first. I'm just gonna kind of just layer it on top. And now we're gonna work with the peppers. And you guys, that is it for right now. And we can go ahead and put the top on it. And we are gonna set this on low for 8 hours so far. I'm probably gonna turn it off simply, around the 6-hour mark, but that's all we're doing right now. We're gonna just do some cleanup and get this kitchen clean while we're waiting on the crock pot to finish cooking during the day.
Alright guys, so this is the final product right here. This is jasmine rice. It's just 90-second rice from Great Value. And all you have to do is just place it at the bottom of the plate, and then you just top it with whatever you want. You can grab as many peppers as you want, or the chicken, broccoli, a little bit of the juice, and it was really, really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making chicken teriyaki in the crock pot. I usually don't make chicken Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is morning time. It is around 10-11 a.m. I started cooking this or prepping it about, you guys, that's my hold on a second. That is my dryer going off. I don't know if it's going to do it again. Hold on.